What's up guys, this is Derek House from dhftns.com, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make my Nutella Protein Pancakes. It's one of my favorite recipes, so let's get to it. Take out a food processor or blender, and we're just going to add all of our ingredients into that, starting with 3 ounces of sugar-free vanilla coconut milk. And if you don't like or can't find coconut milk, you could use regular milk or any other milk substitute. The main reason that I like using coconut milk, aside from the flavor, is that the unsweetened and sugar-free versions have no sugar in them. Next, we're going to add in half a banana, 1 large egg, 1/4 cup or 56.5 grams of fat-free cottage cheese. And for those of you who don't like cottage cheese, don't worry because you can't taste it at all. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon or 18.5 grams of Nutella, 1 tablespoon or 5 grams of cocoa powder, 6 tablespoons or 42 grams of coconut flour, 1 scoop or 30 grams of a chocolate protein powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Process or blend everything together. Take out a stovetop pan, put your burner on medium heat, and then coat your pan with some non-stick cooking spray. Once your pan heats up, pour your mix in and cook each side of your pancake for around 2 to 3 minutes. And there are your Nutella Protein Pancakes. As you guys saw, the pancakes are done. I usually like to top mine with some sugar-free chocolate syrup, so now I'm just gonna try a bite. So you know how you sometimes see those chocolate fountains? Well, if you added Nutella to one of those, and then just kind of dunked your head in, that's pretty much what this recipe smells and tastes like. And if I could drown one way, it would probably be in one of those fountains. I don't really think what I said makes that much sense, but all you need to know is that this recipe is absolutely delicious. As far as the calories go in the whole recipe, there's 588, 16 grams of fat, 62 grams of carbs, 21 grams of fiber, and 49 grams of protein. Alright guys, I just want to thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It motivates me to keep making these. If you haven't already subscribed and you'd like to, you can click right there on the screen coming up. By subscribing, you'll get an email every week telling you I upload a new video. Comments or suggestions go down below. I do try and respond to everybody. Thank you guys again for watching. I got some pancakes to finish. Stay healthy.